Hello guys, welcome to our Affinity tutorial. Today I want to teach you how you can generate a QR code in Affinity to achieve something like this. So basically let's dive in straight. Ensure you are on vectors. We have three formats here: vector, pixel, layout. Ensure you're on vectors. Don't click on here. Click on vectors. So first go to your shape, where your shape panel is. This is a rectangle. Then click on the drop down section from here. You click on it. From here you click on the QR code. You click Once you click, you see a QR code section here. Then click on it. Then you now draw and drag it to this section. Then now let's give it a color, black section. So right now it asks you for the information you want to use for the QR code. So this information, you look at the data section here. So from the data section, either you want a URL, you can copy a URL and paste here, so that the moment somebody scans it, it takes the person to your site, it takes the person to your website or your WhatsApp, as the case may be. So from here you can say you have a list of connections you want the person to, let's say phone number, SMS, email, WhatsApp, FaceTime, location, Wi-Fi, as the case may be. For instance, let's use the email. For instance, so the address mail will be Godwin. Let's see, Godwin 586 at Gmail. No space in between, at gmail.com. So that's the email. Then you can see subject. Let's say the subject should be, I want to make a design. Aside that, you can now type the body of, you are welcome. You are you are welcome to my design tutorial. Tutorial. So now you can click finish from here, and then the information you have saved in this QR code has automatically been generated. So from here you can extract. If you scan, let's delete this. This is a dummy one. Let's delete this. From here, you can take your phone and scan. And if you scan here, you can see those informations are input in the QR code. So these are basic. You can do this for events. Let's try another one. Click on the QR code, select, drag again. Then in this particular QR code, select here, change the information, change the data. Now you want to make it for, let's say, a location, you want an event. So right now they're asking you for latitude, longitude, elevation, like that. Or you have a business, you want to use WhatsApp, so you change it to your WhatsApp number. Your WhatsApp number can be 07051, or instead for numbers, you don't put the first 051328009. Ensure you don't put your country code at the beginning. The moment you start putting your country code at the beginning, it's cancelled. So just input. Let's see. Once you come here, let me put there. You see what it tells you. There's a warning button here. It's telling you that you are not supposed to put your country code, just that particular number exactly, like that. So you can put the pre-message that you want it to carry. Welcome. You are invited to soft touch design seminar. Then from this software design seminar, you can see your number, seat number 8. 6 number 8, say okay. Then from here, if you scan this particular QR code, you get these informations respectively like that. So thank you and subscribe for more.